Hello guys, this is the 2024 refreshed Hyundai Sonata SEL with the convenience package. This thing looks amazing. From the outside, I think Hyundai did a great job with this refresh. The front is nice and bold. The side view remains the same, but the rims are different. This one has the convenience package, so it does have the 18-inch rims. And this Sonata is finished in Serenity white. I think it does look very good with the black accents or the gloss black trims. Back looks amazing. Hyundai did do changes to the back as well, but I think overall this facelift looks amazing. But let's go ahead and take it on a POV test drive and see how it does. Alright, here's the interior of this refreshed, not completely redesigned, it's just a facelift of this 2024 Hyundai Sonata. I think the interior looks amazing. I think Hyundai did a great job with the interior of this Sonata. This one has the convenience package, so the price is $32,000. The starting price on the SEL trim is $27,000, but this convenience package is definitely worth the $3,000 price, because you do get leather wrapped steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, 18-inch rims, a built-in navigation, so you click on map, that will take you straight to navigation, and a 12.3-inch screen right in front of me, and a few other things. But let's go ahead and take this Sonata on a drive and see how it does. Before we do that, I want to go ahead and show you the backup camera. Backup camera resolution is good. It does have three different angles: normal, wide, and down. And it does have an 8-speed transmission. Here is the shifter. It does look good. Here is the park button. But let's go ahead and take this Sonata on a drive and see how it does. It is getting a little bit dark, so this POV test drive is more like a evening POV test drive. I'm definitely going to be doing more POV test drives with the base trim, maybe night drives with the limited trim and the other trims. But I am truly impressed by this Sonata. I think it looks amazing. I really like this trim. This right here is a little bit, it is definitely hard, but it does have a little bit of softness to it. But everything looks amazing. Fit and finish is perfect. Shutting the doors feel good. And yeah, overall, I think the fit and finish is very, very good. This one does have wireless charger. This is with the convenience package. But I am truly impressed with what Hyundai did with the outside and inside. This is definitely more than a facelift. Almost looks like a redesign to me. Alright, so driving this 2024 Hyundai Sonata drives nice and smooth, comfortable, and the interior is surprisingly very quiet. So the cabin is definitely quiet, but I'm gonna test that when I hop on the highway. That's where the real test is. Steering wheel looks good. It is wrapped in leather. This is with the convenience package. The Hyundai website still doesn't have this redesign, so I cannot build one, so I don't know exactly how many trims there is. But I believe that there is the SE, SEL with the convenience package, limited, and the N-Line. It's actually the N-Line then limited, but I'm not sure if there is a trim that is going to be between the limited and this SEL. But truly impressed with the design. I love this curved screen. It does look like BMW curved screen. Materials feel good. Everything has a really nice feel to it. So this Sonata is basically the same Sonata as the 2023. The engine, suspension, everything is the same, but it's just a facelift. So the bumper, the headlights, tail lights, and the interior, they are different. By the way, guys, the LED daytime running light looks amazing. I love the way how the headlights look like. Beautiful design. I think Hyundai did a great job with this facelift. We're gonna go ahead and hop on the highway. Steering wheel becomes heavy. Nothing crazy, but definitely is good enough for daily commute. The car becomes a little bit more responsive in sport mode. Nothing crazy around turns. Definitely feels like a big, definitely feels big and heavy. And nothing crazy around turns. Suspension is soft, and that's completely fine. So let's go ahead and put this thing in normal mode. There's 3 modes, or drive modes, or 2 drive modes actually. There's normal, sport, and then my drive, which is basically an individual mode. You could set it and customize it. So for the cabin noise, I definitely could hear a little bit more now when I'm on the highway, and I am only doing like 60 miles per hour. So I think Hyundai should work on the sound deadening, but overall the ride is nice and comfortable. Like big trucks, I could hear them, but this is not that bad. The Elantra, the Venue, they definitely have more sound than this Sonata. Beautiful, comfortable ride. I love the seats. They are comfortable. Seeing out of this Sonata is perfect. Mirrors are nice and big. There's blind spot monitoring system, and of course there is the all the nice safety features like emergency braking, rear cross traffic, lane keeping assist, steering assist, and safe exit. So definitely good amount of features. As I said, guys, the price on this one is $32,000 with that convenience package. If you guys don't get the convenience package, then it's going to be $27,000, and then you have to add the destination to that $27,000. Brakes, definitely nice and grippy, and they definitely feel good. I love the fact that it says it shows the stop signs, if there is any walking, if there's any other signs like pedestrian signs and things like that, it will display that. Displays the speed limit. Definitely good. Steering wheel is nice and light. As I told you guys, it is wrapped in leather. The ride is definitely not sporty at all. Very comfortable suspension, and as I said, guys, the brakes are good. This SEL trim has heated seats, 3 stages. I love the way how the climate control looks like. I think Hyundai did a great job with this Sonata. Nothing crazy, but I think it's enough to merge on the highway or pass someone. But let's go ahead and talk about this engine. So this Sonata has a 2.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine. It is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. By the way, there's some paddle shifters, so you could downshift and upshift. Transmission is very slow, and that's completely fine. I think leaving it in automatic mode is better. Anyways guys, this engine produces 191 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque connected to this 8-speed automatic transmission. And as I said guys, power is nothing crazy, but it will definitely do the job. This convenience package adds a good amount of things. As I said guys, it does add LED lights, this panoramic sunroof, a 12-inch cluster display, 18-inch rims, and does add built-in navigation, wireless phone charger, and leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a few other things. I'll go ahead and attach the things that the convenience package has so you guys could see the things that I missed. But again guys, price on this car is $32,000 with destination. A little bit of wind noise, but that's fine because I am on a bridge. But I think the ride quality is perfect. There is no road noise, barely any wind noise, but the cabin noise when cars are passing by, I could definitely hear them. But going 70 miles per hour, I think this Sonata is doing a great job. Let's go ahead and activate the safety features. So the adaptive cruise control is active, steering assist is active, and lane keeping assist is active, and the car is not having any issues going around this turn. Beautiful, smooth. Hyundai system is perfect. The steering wheel is nice and light, and climate controls are very easy to use. Here is the heated seat, and this is a nice touch screen. Let's go ahead and click home. As you guys see, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the system is beautiful. Let's go ahead and go to the built-in navigation. Hyundai built-in navigation is beautiful. It does come with the convenience package. I personally think that the convenience package is worth the price, and yeah, I am truly impressed with this facelift Sonata. I think it looks amazing from the outside and inside. The tail lights, the LED daytime running light, and the LED light bar in the back just looks amazing. Suspension is nice, comfortable, and brakes are good. Brake pedal doesn't sink in, it just has the perfect feel. I love it. There's a volume knob, tune knob. The heated seat does have an auto function, 3 stages, dual climate control, which is nice. And there is a wireless phone charger right here, 2 USB Type-C, a 12 volt. Here is the drive mode. You click the button, auto hold, and a button to turn on the camera, which is nice. And as I told you guys, beautiful 2 12.3-inch screens. Steering wheel is nice and light. This car is nice and comfortable, and hitting things like that on the road, you don't really feel them. The size of those rims, they are 235, 45, 18. If you guys get the SEL without the convenience package, you're going to get 17-inch rims. This rear view mirror is auto dimming. This is part of the convenience package. Blue Link, it does have the Blue Link Plus. Beautiful panoramic sunroof, a ton of space in the back. Legroom and headroom are very, very good. Inside there is a ton of space, 2 cup holders, a place to rest your hand right here and control those 3 buttons right here, or switches. As I said guys, climate controls are very easy to use. The fit and finish is just amazing. Even paying attention to details is seriously amazing in this Sonata. Right here on the left there is the brightness control, traction control, e-brake, and trunk release. As I said, guys, leaving this transmission in automatic mode is definitely better than, you know, playing with the gears, with the paddle shifters. With the paddle shifters, everything just becomes more lazy. So leaving the transmission in automatic mode is definitely better. Let's go ahead and put the drive mode back to normal, and we're gonna go ahead and do a turning radius and see how good the turning radius is. Definitely good on this Sonata. For a long car like this, I think the turning radius is definitely good. The turn signal indicators in the front and back are nice and bright. You could see that this is a Hyundai Sonata, and I am truly impressed with this refresh. You feel that power in the higher RPMs. For the fuel economy numbers, 25 in the city, 36 highway, and 29 combined. I think those numbers are good. I'm not sure if there is a hybrid version that will be coming later, but I think 36 mpgs on the highway is good. Beautiful design in the front. The back looks nice and sporty. The interior has a really nice design to it. I love the physical controls, the buttons, and I think Hyundai honestly did a great job. The car is nice and smooth, comfortable. You do get a lot of features on this SEL trim with the convenience package. I think the convenience package is definitely worth the price. It is $3,000, as I said, but I personally think that it is worth the price. Steering wheel is nice and light, as I said, and overall it is such a beautiful car. I really wish it had the 3D view. The Elantra Limited, it costs $28,000 and it has that 3D view. So this one does not, but I am pretty sure that Hyundai has it on the Limited Sonata. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this POV test drive of this refreshed 2024 Hyundai Sonata. If you guys are around, if you guys are interested, make sure to come and see Nick here at Key Hyundai of Milford. And if you guys are interested in any car detailing products, make sure to check out my website. I'm gonna go ahead and link my website in the bottom of this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please like and subscribe, because it does help a lot. And as always, I'll see you next time.